hear that, Katie. Could you speak up? Could you speak up?
Yay!
Matt, give her the doll back. No, Matt, no. Let's not. Katie's trying to crawl. You want to see how Katie can try and crawl? Let's see, Kate. Let's see, Matt. Make Elmo crawl without making him sing that song. See, Elmo can crawl. Good job, Elmo. Very good. Now give her room. Give her room. Matt, give her room. Move back. Boop. Matt's right here, honey. He's right there. You know what? I think it's time that Matt gets his coat on. Katie? Relax. I put your lunchbox out, sweetie, right there.
Yeah.
You're getting ready. Matt has to go to school now. Yeah. Say bye-bye to Matt.